Hi, I'm Geoff Clark. I'm one of the instructors here at DirtFish Rally School, and today I'm going to take you for a ride on my favorite course here, the Wedge. We run this course on day 3 of a 3-day program. This culminates all of our skills that we've learned in the previous 2 days and puts us into a proper rally course here with lots of trees and blind corners. So, without further ado, let's go. All right, grabbing second gear, braking nice and early, getting my straightaway, little rev limiter there, yeehaw. A little bit of gas here. Looking for my exit, braking again, get that car squared up. Third gear, nice smooth shift. Braking nice and early. This is my favorite corner right here. Turn back, let the car work on its own, and then back on the gas. There we go. Third gear, braking early. It's a 90-degree right. This is very blind. Get that downshift. Short little straightaway here. Get set up for this next corner. Pretty important right here. You got to turn in early, get that straightaway set up so I can start applying power. Third gear, nice long straightaway. Braking straight braking. Turning in, little downshift, back into third, and lining up for the slalom. Minimal inputs with the steering wheel, but good weight transfer with that brake. Nice and early. And shutting her down right here. Alright, well, you can see why that's my favorite course here at DirtFish Rally School. So come on, take a class and get to run that course on day 3.